Okay, so this is a self-contained compressed drive system, and I have two wheels with axles built just like train in the front with intake going in, basically connected to two big pistons that compresses air, follow down to another, just plumbed into two tanks, compressing the air stored into two tanks. I have a valve to fill when you very first start the system, and as you drive, the wheels turn the pistons, take the intake air, compress the air into the tanks. I have overflow valves, so when the tanks are full, the air will just go out into the environment. Plumbed into an actual pressure distributor, so you can change the spacing of this wheel that spins, and it releases pockets of compressed air into these spring air pistons. So the air goes in, pushes the axle up, the spring pushes the axle back down, the air is released through an exhaust, and spins the axle. Now I'm just trying to figure out how this wouldn't work as a self-contained system that you would never have to refill, basically like a perpetual motion machine. I'm trying to figure out why this system wouldn't work. And I know the conservation of energy, thermodynamics, all that stuff says that this can't be done, but I'm trying to figure out why this wouldn't work. You fill it up one time, and as you drive, the intake is taken in, compressing the air and filling them up as you drive, releasing the overflow into the atmosphere and out the exhaust after driving the pistons. Now, this is a very simple model of it, and you can obviously apply many more applications to it, but I'm still trying to figure out why this wouldn't work. And if you have any ideas, I'm trying to get some answers here. Now, I'll give you some close-ups. Just simple one-way valves, air in, pushes up piston, pulls air in through a one-way door. As the tire goes down, it pushes the air. The one-way valve on this side closes, this side opens, drives the air into the tanks. Tanks are on, so they're constantly driving air into the distributor wheel. That's what I'm calling it. Just basic design on how to distribute the air evenly, and ways to give different types of power just by simply moving the spacing in between the wheel, right? And into your air pistons and out the exhaust.